Present a simple Java program that demonstrates fundamental programming concepts using a menu-driven approach. When the program runs, the user is welcomed and shown a menu with 6 options: input and output, if-else statement, loops, working with arrays, information, and exit program. The option one lets the user enter their name and age, then display a personal greeting. What is your name, Axel? How old are you? 18. Hello, Axel. You are 18 years old. In the option 2, allows the user to input a number and the program will tell if it's positive, negative, or zero. Example, negative. The number -1 is negative. Another sample. Number 10. The number 10 is positive. In option 3, the user can choose between a for loop, while loop, and nested loop. So, piliin natin yung for loop. And then, input natin kung how many times the loop should run. 3 times. And mag-enter tayo ng message. Hello. Ito, so nag-loop siya ng 3 beses. Hello, hello, hello. Try naman natin sa while loop. 3. Ganun. Ganun pa rin tatlong beses siya nag-loop. Hi, hi, hi naman. And sa option 4, nagdi-display siya ng array ng mga vegetable. Then, yung user po, pwede siyang mag-select ng index para ma-view po niya yung item at kung anong position po ng item na yan. Position number 2. So, you selected spinach. Sa option 5, lalabas po dito yung mga overview ng topic na na-covered. Information. This program showcases fundamental Java concept, input and output, if-else statement, loops, arrays, happy coding, and Java. Then, yung option 6 po is magko-close na yung program. Yung code din po na to is included na po dito yung input validation para po ma-handle yung mga errors po. Overall, it's a beginner-friendly way to explore how Java works. Thank you.